Bird in a gilded cage, a beautiful sight to see. You may think she's happy and free from care. She's not, though she seems to be. Her beauty was sold for an old man's gold. She's a bird in a gilded cage.